Chop, 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 chop. And here's go. And there's another one coming. Chop, chop, chop. Yes, I just put something for them to eat. Let's see if the next one is coming. They like my little nuts. I just put them. Shouldn't do it, but let's see where they are. Here is back. Chop, 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 chop. And here we go again. Chop, chop, chop. And another one come. And here they come again. They know there is food here. Let's see. They're gonna come back. Yes. Here they took some of my food. Those are safer little nuts I bought the other day. I kept some for them. My friendly little bird. Here they are again. Isn't that lovely? Like we say, you shouldn't feed the wild, but for the video, we go, now where's the next one? Be patient, my friend. We're gonna see them again coming and flying. I even gonna come closer, and you will see him soon coming back. Because they like those little nuts I just left for them. Okay? Here is coming, and he is here. And here we got him. He's gone. Let's see, the next one is coming soon. Taking video of nature, you've got to be patient in order to enjoy those beauty around us. It's the best time of the day. There's hardly anybody around. I think some of them is gonna come back again. Let's see. You can hear them, but they are not here. So, hope we'll catch the last guy. I have a feeling we're gonna see him. You can see the little nuts I just left for him. Yes, I like to mix those one with my food. And I think we're gonna have a friendly one that just arrived, and he's gonna eat it. And the other guy come again, and he's gone. Now they're gonna come a bunch of them here. Oh, it's so nice. There's another one is gonna come and chop, chop, chop. And there's gonna be here another guy. And patience is the virtue, they say. Let's go here, see if we can catch him when he fly down. Like, oppa, here he's back, and he's taking off. Here's somebody else is gonna come. I think so. Here is he. He's watching me. He's taking his food, and he's flying. There's another one. I'm telling you, it's like a circus here. Oh, this is a different one come. Oh, isn't that nice? At least they're having fun. And I'm having time of my life. Here's another one coming. Look at this. So many around. I think there's a big families coming again. Chick, 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 chick. Tick, tick, tick. Yes, they're flying up there. And they're gonna come again. You watch it. I know those little birds. Here's another guy coming. You see? I was right. Food is food. Oh, what a colorful little one. Wish I learned all the name. Here's another one. I think it's time. Oh, there is another one on the tree up there. And he's flying. And he is jumping down. And he's getting his food. Another one coming. And it's coming. Another one is coming. Wow. And another one. Wow, what a time those guys have. Oh, so nice. I enjoy myself. Okay, there's another one. And he's coming too. Oh, he's a lovely guy. Okay, now I think they realize there's some food here. So they just keep coming here. Now some of them are on the snow. But here's a guy. He's just down here, and he just went up. And he went up where the food is. Oh, they just had a fight. No, it's my territory. I'm eating it. Look at this guy. Oh, he's going. Yes, they're up in the tree. You can see them. Yes, here they are. So nice. And he's going down. And he's going to take some of my little nuts. Let's see if I come very close. And we're gonna see them again. I think so. They're on the tree. And here he is. Look at that. Well, it's magic. There's two of them. Nice. Look at that. There's another one coming. Oh, I can stay for hours here and enjoy. But it's getting a little bit windy. You can hear it. And he's just up in the tree and say, oh, Aaron, you're too close. So let's wait for the last one. You can hear them. Oh, here's coming. What's this? Isn't that a beauty? Oh, they were cheap.